practice English speaking.
Hello! Welcome to Practice English Speaking, where even shy people can talk without hiding behind a pillow.
Hello, everyone, and yes, I'm already nervous talking. So if you're shy, you're my best friend today. Oops.
If your heart beats fast when you speak English, don't worry, mine beats fast when I see my phone bill.
Same here, Anna, especially when English words run faster than my brain, which is always, honestly.
Today's topic is for shy students, so if you whisper English to your wall, you are totally welcome.
Yes, shout out to the wall listeners. They never judge and never laugh. Lucky walls.
Being shy is normal, like forgetting your password again and again. Very human, right?
Exactly. And English speaking feels scary, like your brain suddenly goes blank and goes on vacation.
But relax, we are chatting like friends, not giving exams, so no red pens today. Yay!
Thank you, Anna. Exams still scare me more than horror movies. Not joking.
Let's imagine you're sitting with us, drinking tea, nodding slowly, and smiling shyly. Cute scene.
And I spill my tea because I'm nervous. Classic Jake moment. Oops again.
So Jake, were you a shy English student before, or just shy in general? Funny question.
I was shy everywhere, Anna. Even ordering food felt like a big English speech. Tragic but funny.
Oh yes, ordering food is scary, especially when the waiter asks questions. Surprise attack.
Exactly. I practiced I want pizza, but got anything else? And my brain froze.
That happens to everyone. Even confident people panic inside like a dancing chicken. Trust me.
Dancing chicken image is stuck now. Thanks for that laugh.
Being shy doesn't mean you're bad at English. It just means you care too much. Sweet problem.
Yes, shy people think too much, like replaying one sentence all night. Painful but true.
Let's do a simple situation, Jake. Meeting someone new. Very normal, but scary, right?
Super scary. My smile becomes weird and my words hide behind my teeth.
Okay, imagine I'm a new classmate and you say hello. No pressure, just friendly vibes.
Okay, deep breath, imaginary sweat. Here we go. Funny but real. Hi, hello. My name is Jake and I'm shy. Surprise.
That was great, Jake, and very honest. Honesty always wins. Plus, I'm smiling already.
Really? I thought I sounded like a broken robot. Beep, beep.
Not at all, and broken robots are cute anyway, so relax. Shy students often think they must speak perfect English, which is a big lie. Like, I wake up early lie.
Yes, perfect English is a myth, like finding matching socks every morning. Impossible.
The goal is communication, not perfection. Even small sentences are powerful, like small snacks.
I love snacks, so now I love small sentences too. Motivation unlocked.
For example, saying, I'm shy but learning is simple and strong and a little brave.
And people usually smile back, not laugh, which surprised me a lot. Happy shock.
Exactly. Most people are kind, not English police. Thank goodness. Another fear is pronunciation, like, what if I say it wrong? Drama starts.
Oh yes, pronunciation fear makes my tongue feel lazy and confused. Poor tongue.
But wrong pronunciation is normal. Even native speakers argue about words. Funny fact.
True. I once heard two people fight over tomato. Intense scene.
So if you say a word wrong, just smile and repeat. Smile fixes many things. Magic trick.
Smiling is cheaper than therapy. I approve this advice.
Let's practice a daily life sentence. Something easy, like talking about feelings. Very human.
Feelings? Okay. I feel nervous already. Perfect example.
Say, I feel shy when I speak English. Simple and honest. No drama.
I feel shy when I speak English. Wow, I survived. Small victory dance.
See? That was smooth, like butter on toast. Yummy success.
Now I'm hungry and confident. Dangerous combo.
Shy students should practice in safe places, like alone, with friends, or even with mirrors.
Mirrors are scary but helpful. They don't talk back, thankfully.
Talking to yourself is not crazy. It's practice and free. Best price ever.
Free is my favorite word. After pizza, of course.
Start with short sentences, repeat them, laugh at mistakes, and move on. Simple life rule.
Laughing helps. Crying is optional, but laughing feels better. Trust me.
Let's do a funny misunderstanding because those happen a lot. Welcome to real life.
Oh no, misunderstandings love me. They follow me everywhere.
Imagine you want to say, I'm learning English, but you say something wrong.
Okay, disaster incoming. Buckle up. I am learning English slowly like a turtle, maybe.
That's actually cute, and turtles are wise, so good image.
See, mistakes can become jokes, not disasters. Lesson learned.
Shy students should remember, everyone starts somewhere. Even fluent speakers were beginners once.
Yes, nobody came out speaking perfect English, except maybe movie babies. Fake stuff.
Practice daily, even 5 minutes, like brushing teeth, but for your brain.
I never forget brushing teeth, so English can join that habit, hopefully.
Now imagine a classroom. Teacher asks a question, your heart races. Classic scene.
My heart would run a marathon, gold medal guaranteed.
You don't need long answers. Short answers are okay. Small steps matter.
Short answers save lives, especially shy lives.
Saying, I think so, or I'm not sure is totally fine. Very natural.
I'm not sure is my favorite sentence. It feels safe and honest.
Confidence grows slowly, like plants, not like instant noodles, sadly.
I wish confidence was instant noodles. Just add hot water, done.
Until then, practice, smile, breathe, and be kind to yourself. Gentle reminder.
Being kind to myself is hard, but I'm trying. Baby steps, funny walk.
Let's wrap up slowly, like a cozy ending. No sudden goodbyes, promise.
Thank you. I hate sudden goodbyes. They scare me more than speaking English.
Dear listeners, if you are shy, you are not weak. You are thoughtful and learning.
And learning English is brave, even when your voice shakes like jelly.
Practice every day. Talk to friends, walls, mirrors, pets, anyone who listens.
My dog listens better than humans. No judgment. Best audience.
Remember, mistakes mean progress, not failure. Very important life joke.
Yes, mistakes are proof you tried, and trying is already winning.
Thank you for listening. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and don't hide your voice.
And if you feel shy tomorrow, remember us laughing here. You're not alone.
This was Practice English Speaking, where shy voices become strong slowly.
See you next time. And don't forget, even shy English is good English. Big smile.